I've been so frustrated over the years about license plate screws that I finally decided to come up with a kit and solve the problem for myself, which may also solve the problem for other people. The first thing is corrosion. So that meant I had to come up with stainless steel screws, and I had to come up with the short ones. You don't want long ones. On some cars it can go in and hit something and actually cause a problem. So in the kit, I will supply two sizes. And let me explain why. Stainless steel, isn't that pretty? And it's going to stay that way too. Now, if you notice, the head sizes are a little bit different, and the diameter of the threads, this one is bigger. The factory screw was about this size here, and over time, it eventually will strip out the plastic that they screw into, like you see here. So if that's the case, then you're going to have to use the bigger screw like this one. It will oversize the hole, but it will keep your license plate on and locked in place. If your holes aren't damaged, then you can use the smaller screw like you see here. It needs to go in and tighten up by hand. If it goes all the way in by hand, you're going to have to go to the next size up because that screw can back out. The problem here is, do you want a bigger screw on the top and a smaller screw on the bottom? That's going to have to be your decision. If I put this screw in the bottom, I can run that in and it will automatically enlarge that hole, but in the future you will always have to use the larger size sheet metal screw. So you can see this is a long-term solution to your license plate fastener problems. And here's another reason why I like to use stainless steel. Even if you use zinc plated, eventually it rusts on the backside and discolors your license plate. So stainless screws will also prevent this problem here. And when you tighten these down, don't over tighten them. You'll strip out the plastic, and you really don't want to go to any bigger screw than you see right here, but look at how much nicer that looks. You're not going to have rusty screws in the future, and these are not going to fall out. And here's something interesting, by the way, about this license plate. See, age 67? This might be a little strange, but I need to share with you, when I bought this car, I was age 67. With this kit, you can replace your front and rear license plate screws with quality stainless steel fasteners that will not rust. Would you rather have this or a license plate that looks like this? I sure wish I was still 67.